Good morning. Ooh, this is my favorite part of camping, is cuddling up in the cold. It's about, I don't even know what time it is. I know it's about 54 degrees. But it feels good. Anyway, we're up. Robb let me sleep in. But we'll probably get going here whenever. It is one windy day. They said, the weather said that wind speeds would be up to 20 miles per hour this afternoon. So, I don't know. Anyway, we are going to go on a walk around this beautiful campground and park, and I'll show you some of it. I don't know if you can see up there. I might have to get in a better view. But there is like a hole right between that stone up there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll have to check it out when we get back. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Yeah, those clouds aren't that gorgeous, but they're keeping the temperature down. Rue is having an incredible time sniffing new smells everywhere she goes. See up there now? Oh no. Oh, there it is. You can see it up there on the left. It's kind of cool. It's a very many arches.
It's kind of funny too, because you always see other little birds chasing.
I see that. I wonder why. Well, maybe because they think they're going to get food or something. There he goes.
Why they do that? I know that bald eagle to take care of that little bird pretty easy.
Oh, he is attacking him. I wonder if he's guarding his food source or something.
Probably. I don't know if it'd be the food source, but that bald eagle would have no trouble taking that one down.
No. Oh my gosh. He keeps going. I'm going to have to Google that. Oh.
Google it. Maybe it'll tell you.
I will. I bet it will. Somebody will know.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. she really doesn't want me to take her because she found a good smell, she lays down like that. Quite windy today. We're supposed to have wind gusts up to 20 miles per hour, so we'll see how the tent holds up. I knew it was supposed to be windy today, but not this windy. So we're holding on. I just had to add some more guidelines to my tent so it won't blow away. Such a windy day today, but we made it. The wind gusts were 36 miles per hour. We did it. Thanks for watching.